just wanted to upload a short update video. It's been about 4.5 weeks to 5 weeks since we started actually working on the trailer. Just to show that we're getting some progress done. Originally what I had wanted to do was, you know, complete the bathroom with a bunch of video clips of that, and then make one video of the bathroom, and then one of the kitchen, the cabinets, all that good stuff. But just because it's a custom build, things are just not going as smoothly as I had hoped, and I'm spending a lot of time just waiting for things to come in the mail as we order. We find out that something's not going to work, or we have to change our plans based on what this trailer is allowing us to do. It's a very low profile, so running the plumbing is just not working out right. So we're going to actually end up lifting the trailer. We're going to do a 3-inch lift on it. Hopefully this week, get that done. Once the build is complete, I'd still like to go back and, you know, crop all the videos, edit all the videos that I made of the bathroom, how we did the black water tank, the gray water tank, you know, show hopefully some good detailed videos of how we actually installed all that stuff. So if you're wanting to do the same kind of thing, it'll give you an idea how easy it is. Most of the time that we've spent on this build has been sitting and just looking at stuff and thinking, how can I accomplish this, or how can I accomplish that? But once you know what you're doing and you figure that out, you get the measurements all right, everything else is pretty easy. Just about anyone can do all this stuff. So I hope you enjoy the little tour of what we've got done up to this point, and then I'll make sure to keep uploading some more progress videos. Thank you. And here is what we've gotten done so far. We have kitchen cabinets built. Just the lowers, no uppers yet. We're gonna have an apron sink, farmhouse style, and our oven, we're just using a regular 110 small toaster oven. Should do the job for us most of the time. That's all we need. The refrigerator is the same way. It's going to be just a small 110 refrigerator. If we don't have 110, we'll just use an ice chest. And our little kind of breakfast nook area, I'll just have a little bit of storage down here. And then this will swing up. I'm going to do a swing hinge into a small table, very small table. The bathroom here, it is all raised 6 inches in order to incorporate the deeper black water tank that I wanted to use. Everything is installed, but it's just dry fit. Nothing is permanent because I have not got my gray tank yet, which I need to run all my lines for that before I permanently install that stuff. The water heater has come in. It's going to hang up on this wall, but I have not gotten around to install that yet. So anyways, hope you like what you see. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.